Good afternoon, kids. Welcome back in our ENV class. I hope you all are healthy and happy, and you all completed our ENV work properly. So kids, today we are going to start our new chapter. Chapter 12, the water cycle. In this chapter, you will learn about first, water change its form. It means water changes forms. In second, the water cycle. So first we start our first topic, water changes its form. Now we will start our first topic, water changes its forms. There are three forms of water. Just now I have two forms of water. First is water and second is ice. So kids, I have one glass of water. Water is first form of water, right? Now second is ice. Do you know how we get ice? You add ice to your drinks in the summer season. Do you know how ice is formed? Fill an ice tray with water and keep it in the freezer. After some time, the water will change into ice. So ice is formed when water freezes. So kids, now I will show you our third form, water vapor. You can see in this vessel, water vapor comes out. See. Do you know what is water vapor? What happens when water is heated? Yes, water is heated. That time water vapor comes out. It is steam that comes out. Steam is also called water vapor. Now we will start our second topic, water cycle. Okay, the sun heats the water in ponds, river and lakes. This water changes into water vapor. See, you can see this is water vapor. The sun heats the water of river, lakes and pond. Right? This water changes into water vapor. This water vapor rises in the air. See in this picture, this water vapor rises in the air. It cools and forms small water droplets. These water droplets make clouds of water join and form big drops. These big drops become so heavy that the clouds cannot hold them any longer. These water drops fall as rain. Right? Again, rainwater fills up ponds, lakes and rivers. So kids, it means the sun heats water of lakes, ponds and river. After boil this water change into water vapor. This water vapor goes up. Okay. And then it cools and forms small water droplets. These water droplets form clouds inside the clouds. Okay, the small drops of water join and form big cloud. These water droplets join and make big clouds. And after then, the big clouds cannot hold them any longer. So these water drops fall as rain. Okay, the rainwater fills up ponds, lakes and rivers. Again water gets heated up by the sun and forms clouds. These clouds bring us rain again. The cycle of water forming water vapor, clouds, then falling as rain and filling up ponds, lakes and rivers. It is called a water cycle. This cycle running and running and running. Okay. So we can call water cycle. Okay kids, now time to say bye bye. Thank you. We will meet again in our next video.